The 5/7 Uganda People's Defense Forces UPDF Battalion, police and stakeholders in Greater Nebbi districts on 5th February 2025 cleaned major towns in order to promote sanitation ahead of Tarehe Sita celebrations tomorrow, as the country celebrates the Tarehe Sita anniversary and Defense Forces Week with a series of civil-military activities. Major Daniel Kavuma, Commander 5/7 Battalion, has challenged the community to promote hygiene at their homes. Major Kavuma noted that the government is extending services to the people to improve their quality of life, noting that when UPDF officers are disciplined, the country will achieve its objectives.
5/7 Battalion takes charge of the Greater Nebbi from Pakwach up to Paida. Pakwach, Nebbi district up to Paida, which is in Zombo. We are here to do general cleanliness as part of the Army activities for the Army Week. The Army Week will climax with the Tarehe Sita, which is to be held tomorrow. Today is the 5th. Tarehe Sita means the 6th day of February, when the NRA went to the bush to begin the revolutionary struggle which brought the current regime in power.
Nebbi Resident District Commissioner Mr. Robert Abak encouraged residents in Greater Nebbi to stop negative thoughts about the UPDF officers deployed in their areas.
The soldiers, the forces, the UPDF, police, prisons relate with the civilian is exhibited on such a day where we all come together to serve wananchi, what I would even call it giving back to the community. So it strengthens the bond between the UPDF and the civilian population.
Meanwhile, Adong Hope Gloria, one of the stakeholders and executive director Just of Hope Initiative Joy, a non-governmental organization based in Zombo, who joined the UPDF in cleaning Paida town, urged the UPDF officers to continue cooperating with the local people for unity in the country.
As we are here today participating on the cleaning for Tarehe Sita, it is really part and passion of Just of Hope Initiative to work with the community. Yeah.
Honorable Geoffrey Ngiriker, Mayor of the municipality, applauded the UPDF officers for cleaning Nebbi municipality.
UPDF, the police, for what they have done in our municipality in cleaning all the rubbishes that are within the town.
However, SSP Philbert Waibi, DPC Nebbi, equally said Tarehe Sita is memorable for the achievements and contributions made by the fighters in the ruling government.
We joined our sister force, the UPDF, in activities in the celebration of the Tarehe Sita. This is a celebration we have every year, and as provided for in our constitution, we always work together.
Tarehe Sita begins on the 1st of February with UPDF carrying out health and social activities to promote the well-being of the civilians until it is celebrated on the 6th February annually.